gotta run like you mean it, brother.
This is crazy. Yeah. Come on. Ziggy. This place is next level. Absolutely next level. There's something wild coming up because there's some trees up there and there's no way that those trees are that tall. So there's waterfall, cliff, something's coming up. Wild. This place is that fucking radical. Dude. Fuck, that looks like a stinging tree. That looks so much like a gimpy, so I'm not going to be touching anything around here. It might have been a rookie error, now my boots are that fucking slippery. I think we might have a waterfall coming up here. Wow, we do. Come on. This is as good as it gets. Fuck off. Oh my God. Oh, cool. And a bird's nest. A literal bird's nest. Trip. So we've got a double cascade and an absolute little dream run right there. This is potentially the coolest living organism we've seen since we started. What? That thing is intense. For scale.
I need a banana.
Fucking hell. That thing is massive. That would be so ancient, dude. Fully cascades, eh? Oh, check out all this shit, man.